So one of the things people are holding back starting a YouTube channel is because they think they need the best camera, the best lighting, the best microphone, so on and so forth. But reality looks different. In fact, all you need to start is actually your smartphone. That's it. With today's software and AI solutions, you can even make a perfect shot with a perfect microphone or sound of your voice with the help of AI. And the things I would recommend if you would start and made your first experiences making shots with your phone camera, you might think of investing in a webcam. And the one I use is the Insta360 Link 2, which is great, has great quality, looks nice, and is easy to use. And if you think of doing vlogs like I do, and you think the real estate of your phone is too obvious, and you don't know if you're perfectly positioned in your shot, then think of taking an action cam or a mini action cam or something similar to DJI Nano, or the one I use, the Insta360 Go Ultra. Or you can also use the 360 camera from the beginning. And the reason for having the Insta360 camera, no, that's wrong to say. If you look for a camera that you can do easily B-roll shots like I did just before, then DJI 360 Go Ultra or Osmo Nano is the perfect choice. And if you have any ideas or if you have any comments at all or would like to know more, just let me know in the comments below. Cheers and see you in the next one.